It is?
Heck yeah. Let's kick some butt, though.
Hey, wait, come here. Alright. I want to know if there's any guys in that concrete bunker.
Guys up here, the guys who were moving through here had men down already.
Really?
Alright, we do have guys in the concrete
You see the
bunker.
APC straight ahead of my 12?
Is that where they put it?
So...
Oh, no, I got it.
Okay.
The easiest way is to go that way.
Yeah, but they're probably, I guarantee right now, they occupy the pillbox right now.
They have to be.
They have to be.
Well, yeah, so that's my only problem is how we gonna...
Alright, so we know we got guys in the bunker. Let's give this guy some support.
Yeah, let's go bunker.
Alright, we gotta do something.
Well, I'm telling you, you gotta get another guy in that bunker, but when you're ready to go.
Someone
go. Nick, you're up, go.
Alright, go.
We'll cover you.
Run, dude, run.
He made it. Alright, Ty, you're up next.
Wait.
Hey, covering fire, go!
Alright, wait, hold off a second because it's fixated on us right now. Hold on a minute. Alright, the main turret's pointed left, the M60's pointed at us. Wait. Not yet. I'll tell you when. Go. Alright, I guess I'll go next. Yeah. Alright, let me wait.
Do you see anybody at all?
There's that turret right there. I'm going.
Oh god, they're trying to arc them.
Alright. Hey, watch my straight ahead, okay?
I got you. APC is on the hill. You can see his head. There's a fence right there. They can't go.
Nick, move your head, man.
Look at the pole trap. You're hitting right off of you.
How many people are left over there?
One, I think.
We don't need this many guys in here.
No. Tell him to stay. Hey, you guys, stay there, okay?
Once we take out this gunner, let's go.
Hey, what is...
Oh, he's right. He's sitting in the gunner.
Move it to those trees. Yeah, move it to those trees.
Hey, Ethan, is that you?
Hey, guy right there.
He's sitting in the gunner seat. You can see his little head.
Alright, dude, come on. Don't drop on now. You guys see anybody there?
Left side.
There's a guy right there. Do you look at the pillbox?
Do you guys see top of the pillbox?
Okay.
Alright, I got a plan. We gotta fall back though, okay? Alright. Watch it. Hey, get down.
How are you going to suppress something in metal?
It's okay. It's alright.
One's coming towards you. Get out of the APC.
Behind the contour boxes!
Wow, he made a run for it.
One guy's moving up. See him?
There you go, nailed.
Moving up on the APC!
Alright, hey Nick, I got a plan.
Oh, you got a plan.
I got a plan. Alright, here it is. Alright, so you know there's that giant trench in the back, right?
Yeah.
If we cut all the way around and get into that trench, we might be able to move up on them a little bit.
That's a heck of an idea. Get Tyler out.
Alright, hey Todd, come here.
Right, we're moving out.
Todd, we're moving.
Hold up. Let's get as many guys.
Look out! Oh gosh. You jump into BBs like we're following.
Alright, so here's the plan. Alright, so you know how there's a trench in that backfield, the north side of the field? We're going to cut left, go into the trench, and see how much ground we can make.
Clear. I found medic ropes.
Oh, good memories. We got that one.
Hey, do you think they have to get an objective and
No, I just have to hold it. Alright, let's move it. Where's Matt? He's clearing the other side. Clear.
Yeah.
Two guys just move this way.
Okay.
You see him?
Where's Nick?
He's sitting there.
Nick's got visual too. Hello? Hello? Oh, there's two guys behind the tank. Okay. Try.
I forgot. Habit. Person. Alright, hey, let's go to the bridge. It's not looking this way. Go.
Alright, to the bridge, I go. To the bridge, I go. To the bridge, I go.
Matt, you know it's tree, right?
Not really.
The oak tree right in front of you.
Oh, I have a feeling I'm about to get nailed. You see this white car straight ahead in front of us? There's a guy behind it.
Caddy, yeah.
Alright, what about it?
I figure I'd tell you about him.
Give me some cover fire and I'll go up to those trees.
Well, whoa, wait, hang on, this way.
Is that a guy on foot or is that the APC coming through?
No, that was the guy on foot. Alright, dude, I'm gonna go across and get behind.
Yeah, go.
This bridge is crooked, so be careful.
Take out behind that tree right there. Yeah, take out right there.
Hey, the caddy, the white car,
Yeah.
one person.
Yep. Somebody that just moved up.
Behind it, yeah.
Field behind. Okay. Hey, Kai, you look to that tree right there on your left.
The little one?
Yeah, the little one. The one in front of it.
Hey, there's guys in the pillbox. There's guys in the pillbox. Two. I see one guy's rifle and a guy's head. And he's shooting at me. He actually just hit my gun.
Friendly's coming in on the left side. Hey, car. I'm coming. Got behind the pillbox, my 12. Watch this guy in my car, okay? Ooh, that was close.
Nick, just come here.
Yeah, there's a guy behind the car. These guys over here are trying to move up. So I wanna pick this guy up.
Hey, where's Nick at? I'll radio him. Give me a minute. Hang on a sec. Oh. reloading.
Matt, can you hear me?
Yeah, gotcha. You're good.
All right, Matt, time for me to go.
Alright, guy behind the white car's down. Guy behind the white car's down. Push it up to the street. Move up, move up. Where you guys getting shot from? Hey, Todd. You're coming here. Right there.
You coming? Let's go. Come on. Dude, my thing's dead. Walkie-talkie.
Yeah, what?
It's dead. Where's Nick?
It's okay, we don't. He's right there.
Nick.
Find the pillbox.
The guy's still in it. There's a guy still in it.
Pillbox. You got your camera?
I got hit.
You hit? Alright, come back.
I got hit right in the shoulder.
Alright, we'll wait for you here. Hey, Nick! Nick! Nick, come in, over. Tyler got shot and he's going back for respawn, over.
Got a guy next to the APC. There you go.
Roger that. Okay.
Hey!
I'm taking fire. Yeah, I'm taking fire.
No, I don't see anybody behind that car. The field box. You okay?
It's a hard shot to make.
Yeah.
Alright, guy in the trench or dugout thing is hit.
One more in there.
One more, got it. One guy's still in the pillbox. Hey, man. You, I got a grenade. Do you think we can, like, rush it?
What I want to do, I want to get to that ridge.
Alright, if we get to that ridge, we're going to frag it, okay?
We just need someone to pin that bunker.
Yeah, okay.
Just light up that bunker.
Alright.
I'll watch your right, okay?
Alright, I'm going to make a run for it, okay?
Come here.
Alright, give me a minute, hold on. Alright. Alright. Well, I'm gonna run up and throw frag over it and hopefully get some guys in that crook of that thing.
So our squad are going. Just wait for fire inside that pillbox. I got you. Let me know when you're ready.
Alright, I'm ready to go. Alright, I'm running to you, okay? Hang on my mark. 3, 2, 1, come on. Wait, hold on 1 second, hold. Alright, so here's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna chuck it and like the ball, you know, like in there, like that. You know, I don't even really know what to call it.
Do you want to get up to the ridge? You can get up to that ridge.
Oh, we got one guy in the pillbox still. No, negative, there's a guy in there.
Ready?
No, there's a guy in the pillbox. I can't move. He's got me.
Wait.
He's dead. He's dead.
Check the APC. Where's it looking?
It's looking that way. I'm going. Come here, go. Oh, God.
You got a frag on you?
I threw it.
Come.
Second. Inside. Second.
Hey, I'm going around this way. Alright, I'm gonna bang them all out in there.
Ready?
Alright, 1, 2, 3. Bang, 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 bang!
Oh, come on!
Alright, you're all dead.
Nice job.
Thank you.
Push up on the bridge!
I'm going out.
Toolbox is down! Toolbox is down!
Hey!
Sidearms down! Come on, come on. Here. You got it, you got it?
Game over!
Game!
Woo!
Good job, man.
Thank you.